Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Everyday E-Learning. I'm going to show you how to install and set up XAMPP Server on Windows operating system. So for that, first you have to choose your preferable browser. I choose Google Chrome here. Now we will search for install XAMPP on Windows. We will go for the first link. Here there is platforms for Windows, Linux and Mac as well. We will download for Windows. We will go for the latest version 8.1.6. So now we will download, click in the download button. The downloading started. It will take time according to your internet connection. So our download is complete. Now we will double click here. And do you want to allow this app? Click yes. Now there is a pop-up window. Say it seems you have activate antivirus running. You continue with installation. You can just click in yes. Now there is a warning window. Then you can go with clicking OK. Then next. Then there is some options that the contents you want to add. We want all the contents, so click next. And there is a browse option that you can select to store the XAMPP folder. I will just default it, and you can also choose the language. I will keep it default in English. Then next. Okay, so now click next and it will preparing for installation and unpacking some files. It will take a while to complete the installation, so let's wait for that. So our unpacking files installation is almost about to complete. Now there is a window that says that do you want to start the control panel now. We will click yes for now and click in the finish button, and there is the XAMPP control panel. So if you want to start, then you can just click in the actions, start actions. I started the module Apache and then MySQL. And then if you click in the admin button, then it will take you to the localhost PHP my admin. Then you can just click in the new button and then you can start your database system. So thank you for watching this video.